Welcome back to the kitchen and another installment of Torani Friday. Today we got a special treat for you. We got the Sonic Pickle Juice Slush Copycat, and we're going to make one right in our kitchen using Torani syrup and some pickle juice and some lemon lime soda. And yes, you can do this at home, and it just tastes very similar to what you're going to get at Sonic, except it's not going to be as bright green. So I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. Who's ready for a pickle juice slush? Honestly, this is the newest rage that's going all over the place. Sonic Drive-In came out with a pickle juice slush. At first I thought, oh my goodness, I can't believe they did that. And so we went to Sonic and we tried it, and I gotta tell you, it is curiously delicious, and Rick has fallen in love with it.
I like it.
He really does. We purposely go to Sonic just so he can get a pickle juice slush. But guess what? We're gonna turn Torani Friday into a copycat version of the Sonic Pickle Juice Slush. You can make this at home too. All you need are lemon and lime syrup from Torani, along with the pickle juice from your favorite jar of dill pickles, sour pickle, not a sweet pickle, and we're going to use some ice and some lemon lime soda, because that's pretty much what I have deciphered that they use at Sonic. So what I have is, I've got my my Ninja drink blender, and I just filled up the large cup with ice cubes. You can fill it up with crushed ice or whatever you have on hand. But I'm going to use a half a shot of lemon syrup and a half a shot of lime syrup.
Torani syrup.
Yes, Torani syrup. And then I have pickle juice, and I just cracked open a jar of baby dills. And I'm gonna, you want this to taste like pickle juice, so this is almost a half a cup of pickle juice. Okay, now when they make it at Sonic, it's been my experience that the pickle juice floats on the top, and you really have to stir it in, because the first time I tasted it, it only tasted like lemon lime slush. Yep. Because it's almost like they floated the pickle juice on the top. So if you get one, make sure that you stir it up real good. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put my screw top on, if it will let me. There we go. It smells really good. Now, if you are not a dill pickle fan or pickle fan in general, of course, this probably isn't gonna be your cup of tea or your slush. But it does help to have a high-powered blender, because it really does turn this into a slush. So I'm gonna hit blend, and when you can see, look it, I'll show you what it looks like. There's a slush right there. Give this a stir, taste it. You may want to add more Sprite to it. What do you think?
It's really, really close.
We're going to add a little more Sprite to it, and then I'm going to give it another stir. Now remember, the more liquid you add to this, the less slushy it's going to be. So, because we're kind of thick in here now, we want to achieve a slushy consistency, and adding just a little more of the Sprite or lemon lime soda or whatever you're using, that is going to just about do it, I think. What do you think?
Much better.
Look at that.
Not as bright green as Sonic.
No, they probably add food coloring to theirs, but that's super cute. I mean, because it's important for your food to be cute and all. Your very own pickle juice slush that you made yourself at home with stuff you already had in your pantry. There you have it. Our Copycat Sonic Pickle Juice Slush, made with Torani lemon and Torani lime syrups, a little lemon lime soda, and pickle juice that you have hanging out in your fridge. How many of you dump the pickle juice down the drain? I know some of you probably don't, but pickle juice is really good for you. It's super high in electrolytes, and if you are an athlete, drinking pickle juice is actually better for you than drinking Gatorade. If you can stomach it, it's super good for you. When you put it in a pickle juice slush, maybe it's not as good for you, but it certainly does taste delicious. Are you ready to taste this?
I have to.
You have to. Okay, give it a try.
Yeah. It's very close.
I think it's really close. I do. And of course, you don't have to put a fancy pickle garnish like I did, but you know what? For the pictures, I gotta do it for the pictures.
Yep.
So that is how you make a Sonic pickle juice slush. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure, and if you like it, hit the like button, and if you love it, hit the subscribe button. If you are a new visitor here in my kitchen, welcome. Always a pleasure to make new friends and welcome you in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button too, and if you are a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, make sure that you hit the bell notification button so that you don't miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present all the time, including Torani Friday, right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. I really hope you give this pickle juice slush a try, because it's gonna blow your mind. And I hope you love it, and until next time, I'll see ya!